Right, getting hold of fiberglass is a pain in the arse. We've just driven an hour to the place where I got my fiberglass supplies from last time, and it's closed. There it is. Hamilton Fiberglass and Foam shut down a month ago. So now we've got an hour drive to get home, and I've got no supplies to finish off the job. So I'm gonna have to look for something else. Okay, so getting hold of fiberglass and resin and epoxy and stuff is pretty tricky. Finally managed to find a place. It's a woodshed, or it's called the Woodshed, and it basically they make fancy live edge tables and stuff, or give you the supplies for doing that. So they sell resin, hardener, pigments, and you can order thickeners and stuff. They don't sell fiberglass because that's not needed for that. So these two finally run out after I've finished doing a few little patches. I've got a brand new tub of resin, brand new tub of hardener, and I've also got this stuff, which is I'm using the West system. This is the 406 thickener, so it'll make it into a paste. And I've already applied some here yesterday, which is turning out alright. It's able to stick to the sides and adhere to vertical surfaces without drooping or sagging. So I'm going to be slapping that everywhere. As you can see, I've cut out all the really terrible fiberglass I did. Been sanding the heck out of this thing, and now I am going to mix up some sort of paste and slap up the vertical surfaces. So as you can see, there's a few patches all over the place where I've really taken out all the regular bumps and lumps, and I'm starting to do that all the way along, mostly on the inside. Like I said, I haven't done any fiberglassing before. I tried to do all in one sheet, which is a disaster. It would be much better to do it in multiple sheets. And I'm also, particularly on the sides here where I had the step whatever it's called, step edge. So I had to fill that with foam. So that was pretty regular. So I'm cutting all that out and I'm trying to fix all that up. So I'm going to be mixing this 406 colloidal silica adhesive filler. It sort of makes it into a paste, and then I'll be applying that to the vertical surfaces. The filler is this like white fluffy powder, and it's very, very fluffy and light, but it does thicken it up into a paste. You kind of just eyeball it as to how much you want to change the viscosity. I just want it to cling to a vertical surface, so a bit more than that. That's what it looks like. Just chucking it in. So I've got the mask on because you don't want to breathe in the powder, it irritates your lungs. Right, I've got one paintbrush left, sort of. So this is rough or bumpy, I'll just sand it down. I just really want to seal off. Just want to seal off the foam from the water really. Someone in the neighbourhood is playing their music really loud, which is really aggravating. Because all I can hear is do 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 do. Can't even hear the music, I can just hear the bass.